All right guys, we're back with Nikki with another tip of the day. Today we're going to talk about gray cards. This is probably the most important accessory you could pick up for videography, also one of the cheapest. It's like $8, Amazon. Order it today because anytime you're in an environment where their colors are shifting, it's gonna mess with your colors. So using a gray card will give you an accurate color reading no matter what environment you're in, and it'll give you the best skin tones possible, which will make your models happy.
Absolutely.
If your models are happy, you're happy. All right, so this is an example of what happens when you don't use a gray card. It's exaggerated, but we're at like 2,600 kelvins right now. It's a very blue cast. Skin tones look absolutely terrible. Not your fault, but... And then we'll fix that, take a photo of this, calibrate your camera to it, and then we'll show you what the after looks like once we've calibrated to the gray card. And we're back. So we've calibrated the camera, and as you can see, skin tones looking fantastic. She's looking incredibly tan. And also when you're shooting models, sometimes you'll have to decide, do you want the room to have a more accurate color temperature or your model's skin tones to have a more aesthetic look? In those situations, I always go for the model's skin tones because that's what the focus of the video is. The model.
That's right.
I'm stalling here. All right. Like the number of videographers that don't use it is astounding.
So your camera adapts to that?
Yeah, so basically, my camera knows what 18% gray is, like in the software. So no matter how crazy the lighting is, like if you have red lights, blue lights, anything like that, it'll still know what true white is, what true black is. Because you know how like, what's that? You can't do it on, no. Yeah, because like right there, see how it's whiter? So that's like 5,800 Kelvin probably. While for example, sunsets are like 32, so it's like orange versus white and yeah. Anyways.